Hi there. In this video, I like to explore the view generator, and in my point of view, this is the awesome thing in this code generator, because you may find a lot of packages that create controller model request for you, but view generator from your database table, it's totally new and it will really help you a lot. So how we can create the view? Let's dive into details. Post here is the name of the table you like to. By default, it will create a resourceful view if you don't like to pass anything here in this parameter, but just make it default and it will create everything for us. As you can see, it creates several folders here. Let's talk one by one. This is the cart folder, and I believe in micro components, so each and every component should be separated, and if possible, because these cards are used in the index file, and so I like to keep it separate and make the page layout clean, nice. And also this is the form, and it will be used in create and edit view. This one, this I'm talking about. So right now this edit view is a lot more cleaner, and this post form is reusable. So let's talk something about configuration. This is because it's all about the configuration, how we want to change view. I mean to say, HTML file is different. HTML CSS file are different from application to application. So one application's page or template will not work into another application. That's why you have to change the layout. First of all, I like to show you the path, and you don't have to change the root path because it's already there. If you change from this folder to another, then you have to adjust this path. This will be required when we are going to develop a package later in this episode. Layouts. This is a very important thing, as I told, and is the root layout. This layout comes in this Laravel package. So here you can see Laravel layouts app.php, and it's fine. And Bootstrap. This is actually the template name of the template you like to use. And if I show you vendor Laravel template view and form, this is the file which actually represent the Bootstrap 4 version 3, 4 and Bulma and my. This 4 actually have same file but with different HTML CSS configuration. This represents the Bootstrap 3, this is Bootstrap 4, and this is Bulma, and this from I just copied it from Bootstrap 4, so I can change what I need here without changing anything in the default one. And ignore, and I just add a few column here, post.total view, and this should be ignored. And let's also ignore this is the image column, post.image. That this column we are going to save our image URL into this column. So we are telling that this is the image column, so make something good, make something smart. I like to delete this form and create it again. Our form is generated. Let's check image, and as you can see, it's smart enough. It read your configuration file and it's make a image lot more what it's make a image uploader for you. If we just make this change earlier, and this image upload functionality will be in your controller code, so that will be a lot more easier, but we didn't. We'll do it later. Next thing, let's see it on the browser, and before that I like to show some more things. Here I just only show you the all or default and the form. You can also create index, create, edit, show, table, panel, model, page. These all are individual pages, and the type of what type of thing you like. For example, in the index, you may have table, panel, or tab panel. But these are just optional field, and the name. If you want to rename anything, like if you like to create an index file but name it to my index, then you are feel free to give a name to my index. And controller, this is a very important thing. I like to show you in a minute. For example, let's see, we have to create this two view. Pages dot post dot we just add this to extra method. Let's create request file for this one. Request. Name of the table and controller. Yeah, it's generate favorite and like request. Okay, let's generate route. Route. Name of the controller. Controller. As you can see, it generates two extra route. One is for favorite and one is for like, and it's creating name and some very much, that's some cool thing what we have to write. So all I am saying about that, if you already create a controller and after that you seeing that you like to create more method on that controller, then you can create, and you can, if you can again create request, create routes with the same command as you see just earlier. So you don't have to write this manually. It's smarter enough to guess what should be generated and what is already there. So let's generate the view file, and this time I like to open this one, artisan Laravel post. This is the name of the table, I think you know already. Controller, post, controller. Oops. Post controller. It already exists. Something may have controller view shape successfully. So you can see favorite. This is a new one, and I think you like it very much. Oh, sorry, I forget to name this likes. This is a bare-bone application, bare-bone or a simple. It's a simple view file, bare-bone view file. How it generated from views for pages blank. It's actually the same thing. So if this view creator, view generator wants to create a blank file, it will call this file. So please make sure you change this file according to your need. I think this is all you need to know about view. If you like this, thing, please share in your Facebook, Instagram, or everywhere you like to share. Make it make other developer know that this awesome thing is already there, and it's an open source project. So please share and contribute if you like to do. I'm not a great front-end developer, so if you have any suggestion, anything you need to improve, just make a fork and then pull request, and it will be really thankful for you, for myself, and it will help other developer as well. So goodbye for now. In the next, we are going to talk about package development and some other things. So stay tuned with us.